crafty people, and welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by today. So now that we're at day 5 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar unboxing reveal, I just wanted to check in really quick and go through 1 through 5 with you, and maybe you can let me know what is your favorite. So since I'm doing these every day in the morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, and it is basically speed run unboxing reveal, I wanted to just check in and kind of go over it in the regular slow fashion. But anyway, so we had days 1 through 5, and I thought that this advent calendar is so cute, and I cannot believe how much is jam-packed into it. So for the first day, we had this cute little pup, and I had a sentiment I woof you, which I thought was so cute. Well, let me show you. I made him out of the ears and the paws and the nose, and the dots were black glitter sparkle paper. The rest was cream, and then his little tongue is Chiffon from Spellbinders, and the collar is the fairy tale. So this is so cute, and it's hard to see on with the glitter paper, but the front paws have details on them as well as the back paws. So that is adorable. And then for our second day, we had a stamp set, and this is some mushrooms and hope your day is magical and thank you so much. And this is really cool because you can combine this hope your day is magical with number 3, which is this cutie little rabbit coming out of a hat. How cute is this guy? So again, the cream, the chiffon for the ear insides, the fairy tale, the raven black, and then this is cool because the die cuts out a little piece so you can do the eyeballs, and then underneath this little piece I'd cut out a teeny little piece for the to cover up where the nose is. So here's a little pink nose. He's very cute. And it also comes with a magic wand, of course, abracadabra, and then it also comes with a die that cuts out 3 stars, and these I cut out of glitter paper. So that is so cute and pretty. And then number 4 is kind of unusual. It's something that I really hadn't seen before, and this is you know, one of those old rubber stamps, you know, like that, but it's got different little plates that you could change up on here depending on who you are sending this to. And you can also customize, you know, the handle, the rubber stamp part, the, you know, the wooden part here, and then also the plate. So this one, it's kind of hard to see, but it says love you. And then we have hello you. And we have thank you. It's a little easier to see in real life, but so now you can know what those actually say. But this would be a really cute, you could do like a really cute Valentine's with this. That would be really fun. A hello you. I don't know. You could do, it's an unusual die cut, and you could do a whole bunch of stuff with it. Or do like an all over background with a particular stamp, and then put this in the middle of it, and so it looks like you kind of stamped it out. But yeah. Anyway, the thoughts are percolating, right? And then number 5 were these gorgeous flower die cuts. I love these so much. So this is actually a 3-piece. It's got the stem part, this flower part, and then this kind of like lacy looking part. If you want to look on the back how the sausage is made, right? You can see how I glued it together there. But on the front it just makes for the daintiest, cutest little flower. And then this one, it's just a little stem and like a little like a round bulb kind of thing, and then you have like a little forky looking thing to glue on the top. And then this one, this leaf is on the die with this, so I just tucked it behind there. And there's also the separate die for the flower centers. But how sweet is this? I love this little flower. It is so cute. So I'm looking forward to making something with that for sure. So I just kind of want to go through it with you in a little bit slower fashion now that we've made it through 5 days. And I was hoping that in the comments, if you want to leave me what you think is your favorite one out of these 5. I know that for my viewers, the most popular one has been day 3 with the rabbit so far. So we shall see. I don't know if 5 is going to overtake the rabbit, but anyway, so you let me know in the comments which one of these is your favorite. I'm going to continue posting the shorts at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. I do have a playlist of the shorts, so you can check that out if you missed any of the days. And we have, what, 19 more days to go. So we will see what all of the surprises are. Thanks so much for stopping by today for this little bit of a recap. Again, let me know what you think and what your favorite day is, and we'll go from there. Make sure to stay tuned for what's coming up, and I'll probably do another recap as we go along, as well as hopefully put together some projects with these awesome cutie things from Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. Thanks so much for stopping by. Until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.
Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.